Boys, ain't got much battery in this whole camera, so I might as well do old start cold start on the 89 Jeep YJ with 95 powertrain. I have a 1995 2.5 liter multi-port fuel injected. Yeah, 5-speed behind it. As you can see, obviously no one's round in the last, what is it, 2 weeks? Fuck, I should wear me boots back here, boys. I should wear me boots. Look at the old ice, huh? Off the Jeep. In here, get back to this shit. Ugh, fuck. Oh, there's ice on the floor of her. Yeah, let's see what this old pig's gonna start. See that little light trick there? Lights on, lights off. And let's see, she'll start. Oh wait, push button. Maybe if I take it out of gear, oh, might work. She's a runner. Stereo working her still, or is that froze? Yeah, how do I turn this on? Tuner.
And new clients qualify for all of their services. Fort Carlton Accounting is a...
Serious satellite. Let's see if she'll move. Yep. Can't really see it with the window here. Oh, the water. Oh, come on now, come on. Look at the old fucking water just running right off the old dash. Oh, fuck that noise. Me pants soaked, me foot's wet. You seen the Jeep run, she runs, starts right up. I'm actually surprised how good she started, considering it's usually a bitch to start if it's at any more than a week. And yeah, anyways, still have it, still runs great, still use it. Just been parked for the last 2 weeks because, I mean, no really need of it, can't really go nowhere. Just played around the yard before the last snowstorm. But yeah, very best, take her easy, have a good one, and come rate and subscribe.